Hello student, today we have to solve some questions on the chapter playing with numbers. So here three questions are given. So we start to solve one by one. So let's start question number first. First question, determine the two numbers nearest to 10,000 which are exactly divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Determine the two numbers nearest to 10,000 which are exactly divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. The numbers which are exactly by the given numbers. So the given numbers which are exactly divisible by the given numbers. So first of all, the LCM of the given numbers are the multiples of LCM will divisible by the given number. LCM are multiples. So here any number which is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is, what is the number? The number should be LCM of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are multiples of the LCM of given number. So first off, we have to find the LCM of given number. We find first of all, we find the LCM of 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let's find the LCM of these numbers by the continued division method. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now, first these two numbers are divisible by 2, so we divide at least number 2. 2 1 is 2, 3 is not divisible, 2 2 is 4, 5 is also not divisible, 2 3 is 6, and 7 is not divisible. Now, again we divide by 2. 1, 3 is not divisible, 2 1 is 2, 5 is not divisible, 3 is also not divisible, 7. Now we take next number, that is 3. 1, 3 1 is 3, 1 is not, 5 is not divisible, 3 1 is 3, 7. Now next prime number is 5. 1, 1, 1, 5 1 is 5, 1, 7. Now next number is 7. 7, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 and 1. Here we have to find the LCM. LCM is equal to here we take LCM this side. LCM LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. 2 into 2 into 3 into 5 into 7. 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12, 12 5 is 60, 67 is 420. 420 will come. So 2 2 is 4, 3 is 12, 12 5 is 16, 67 is 5 3 जा 20, 420. Now the LCM of these numbers is 420. 420 is divisible by all these. So the number should be nearest 10,000. This number is not. The number should be nearest 10,000, which is exactly divisible by these numbers. So the multiples of these numbers should be nearest 10,000. So we divide 10,000 by the LCM of the given numbers. We divide 10,000 by 420. So let's divide 10,000 by 420. 420. 420 1000, so 2 times. 200, 2 2 ja 4, 2 4 ja 8. Subtract 0. Out 4 from 10 we get 6. Out 8 from 9 1. 160. Now we divide by the next remainder by 420. 3 times. 300, 3 2 ja 6, 3 4 ja 12. 0. Out 6 from 10 4. Out 2 from 5 3. 340. Here we see that 340 is a remainder. If we subtract, if 340 becomes 0, यदि 340 की वैल्यू अगर 0 हो जाए तो you have to subtract 340 from 10,000. Then that will be nearest 10,000. If we add some numbers that which should be equal to 420, then the number that come again. So here we can get two numbers by adding some number that should be equal to 420, because here 340. When we add some number that will be equal to 420, then by adding some numbers we can get another numbers. By subtracting 340 from this 10,000, then we get another number, and both will be nearest 10,000. अगर 340 को subtract करेंगे तो वो भी 10,000 के nearest लगभग हो जाएगा, या फिर हम इसको ये nearest 2,000 ये लगभग 10,000, तो 340 को सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे या फिर इसको ऐड कर देंगे वो भी 10,000 के लगभग हो जाएगा. So here we have to, first of all we have to subtract the number from 10,000 so that we can get the nearest two numbers. So now when we the nearest 10,000, so we add the required difference of 420 and 340 is equal to 420 minus 340. 0 out, 4 from top, 8. 80. If we add 80 in this number, then we get the nearest. So the number, the required number, the required number which is nearest 10,000 is equal to add 80 in 10,000 plus 80 is equal to 10,008. This is also nearest 10. You have studied round off. If we round off 10,080, the answer will be 10,000. Now, if remainder is 0, so next is here next number. So the required next we have to, if the remainder is 0, means 340 will be 0 if we subtract 340 from 10,000. The required number which is the next other required number which is nearest 10,000 is equal to 10,000 minus 340 out 340 0 out 10 from 4 6 out 3 from 9 6 9,660. This number is also nearest 10,000. So hence here we have to balance. Hence the nearest, the two numbers, the two numbers nearest 10,000 are 9,660 and 10,080. These are two numbers which are nearest 10,000. So you can solve this types of question from exercise books. Now we solve the second question. Second question is three bells ring at interval 6, 8 and 20 minutes. They ring simultaneously at 8 AM. At what time they will ring together? Three bells rings. First bells rings after 6 minutes. Second bell rings after 8 minutes and third bell rings after 20 minutes. These are the intervals of ringing the bells, and they ring simultaneously at 8 AM. But all these three bells ring at 8 AM simultaneously. Simultaneously means two टुगेदर, साथ साथ बजती, एक ही साथ 8 AM पे बजती. At what time they will ring together? So if you find the LCM of 6, 8 and 20, the LCM of 8, 6, 20 will, the LCM of 6, 8, 20 will be divisible by these numbers. So first of all we have to find the LCM of 6, 8, 20. We first of all we find LCM of 6, 8 and 20. So 6, 8, 20. By continue division method. 2 3 ja 6, 2 4 ja 8, 2 10 ja 20. Now we divide again by 2, 3, 2 2 ja 4, 2 5 ja 10. Now we divide again by 2, 3, 2 1 ja 2 and 5. Now we take next number, that is 3, 3 1 ja 3, 1 5. Now next number is 5, 1 1 1. LCM is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 2 2 ja 4, 2 ja 8, 8 3 ja 24, 24 5 ja 120. 120 LCM after 120 minutes, the bells ring. Yes. Simultaneously. So after 120 minutes, the bell rings simultaneously. After 20 minutes, so we have to add, so that what is the time they ring together. The time they will ring together. It's equal to, what is equal to 8 AM plus 120 minutes. Here 8 AM, 8 AM. Now 120 minutes, you have to change 120 minutes into hours. So all of us know that there are 60 minutes in 1 hour. So when we change 120 minutes into hour, we have to divide 120 by 60 plus 120 by 60, then minute will convert into hour. Now 8 AM plus 6 2 ja 20 plus 2 hours. So when we add 2 hours in 8 AM, then it will convert 8 to 10 AM. So the time they will ring together is 10 AM. At 10 AM, these bells ring at 10. If they ring at together at 8 AM, they will also ring together in 10 together. So after 2 hours, they will ring together. Every after 2 hours, the bell ring together. So in this way, all of you can solve many questions related to this type of question. Now we solve the question number 3rd. Question number 3rd. Question number 3rd. Find the least number of 5 digits that exactly divisible by 16, 18, 24 and 30. First of all, we have to know what is the least number of 5 digits. Solution: least number of 5 digits is equal to 1 and remaining digit will be 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. 10,000 is least number of 5 digits. If we subtract 1 from this number, it will convert into 4 digit number. So it is the least digit of 5. Least number of 5 digits. Now these 5 digits that exactly divisible by, first of all we have to find the else. Now we find LCM of 16, 18, 24, 30. 16, 18, 24 and 30. We find the LCM by continuous division method. 2 8 is 16, 2 9 is 18, 2 1 is 2, 2 is 4, 2 1 is 2, 5 is 10. Now we divide again by 2. 2 4 is 8, 9 is not divisible, 2 6 is 12, 15 is not divisible, 2 2 is 4, 9 is not divisible, 2 3 is 6 and 15 is also not divisible. 2 1 is 2, 9, 3 is not divisible and 15. Now we divide by 3. 3 3 is 9, 3 1 is 3, 3 5 is 15. Now we divide by 5 something. 1 3 1 is 3, 1 and 5. Now we divide by 5. 5 1 1 1 and 1. LCM is equal to 16 18. LCM of 16 18 24 and 30 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. Now 3 is 2 times into 3 into 3 into 5. So we find the LCM of the given numbers. So 2 2 is 4, 2 is 8, 2 is 16, 16 3 is 48. 48 into 3. 3 8 is 24. 3 4 is 12, 12 to 16. 40. 3 8 is 24, 3 4 is 12. 12 to 40 into 5. 5 4 is 20. 5 4 is 20, 22. 5 4 is 5 to 7. 720. 720 is the LCM of 16, 18, 24 and 30. And the least number of 5. Now we divide 10,000 by 720. Now we divide 10,000 by 720. 720 10,000. Now What time? 720. Out 0, out 10 from 2 from 10, 8, out 7 from 9 2. 208. Now we divide. Sorry, we take 10. 7 4 28, but it is not 0 4 times 3 times. 300, 2 is 6, 3 7 is 21. 0, out 10, 6 from 10, 4, out 1 from 7, 6. 640 is a reminder. But here 10,000 is the least 5-digit number. If you subtract 1 from this number, then it will convert into 4-digit number. So if this reminder should be equal to 720. So reminders should be 0. If reminder should be 0, then the value of this should be equal. So the difference of, first of all, find the difference of 640 and 720. Difference of 720 and 640 is equal to 720 minus 640 is equal to 0. Out 4 from 12, 8. 80. If we add 80 in 640, then it will completely divisible by 700. So we have to add 80 in 10,000. So the required number. So the required number is equal to 10,000 plus 80 is equal to 10,080. This is the least 5-digit number. 10,080 is the least 5-digit number which is divisible by 16, 18, 24 and 30. No one number is divisible less than 10,080 by 16, 18, 24 and 30. So in this way all of you can solve many questions related to this types of questions. So it is sufficient for today. Try to solve many questions from your exercise book. So it is sufficient for today. So we see in next video with next new question. Thanks for today.